Here we go. Oh! What's going on, guys? Robbie from Lost in China. Today I'm in Chongqing and I have found something awesome. If this is your first time watching, click that subscribe button. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I'm in Chongqing and I've seen this machine. People keep going over there and getting out these boxes. I have no idea what that vending machine is giving, but I want one. I'm gonna go check it out. Alright, so I'm at the boxes and it looks like some type of mystery box. I am so down. Okay, so here on the screen we have a whole bunch of red packets. Oh, I'm feeling lucky. Number 3, lucky 3. Okay, so I gotta scan this and pay. Pay now. Ooh, alright, here we go, here we go. Oh! Shit. Okay. Here it is. What could be inside? Woohoo! Looks pretty good. What even is this? Alright, so I've opened it up. It's some type of purse. Man, it's a man purse. I've got myself a man purse. It is probably the least manliest thing I have ever seen. Alright, so I walked away, but I can't leave on terms like that. I have to get something better. I'm going back to the lucky box machine. I'm gonna try down the bottom somewhere this time. Here we go, here we go. Oh, God. All right. So here I am, I'm gonna do the unboxing. What have I got? I have no idea what this is. I've got myself a mini hairdryer. Hello darkness, my old friend. I am hooked on these lucky boxes, but this is the last time. Number 3. Number 3 packet. Hey. Let's go, let's go. Ooh. Lucky number 3, what could be inside? Okay, so what I've got this time is a USB razor. Now, I could imagine this thing would absolutely just rip the hairs out of your face. So, yeah, I'm not gonna take this one either. So there we have it, guys, the 3 mystery boxes, each more disappointing than the next. The man purse, the small pink hairdryer, and the minuscule facial shaver. Alright guys, so I'm absolutely done with that mystery machine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave these 3 things here as a deterrent against that evil bastard. And you know, maybe someone will want to use the man purse or the micro razor a lot more than me. So again guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe. Cheers.